Okay, it's the 26th of June. It's a Wednesday, doing this around 12:30 in the afternoon. We have some muggy conditions return today with some hot temperatures again for sections of Pennsylvania, Delaware, and New Jersey. And we also have some thunderstorms coming across, and the United States Weather Service has issued a severe weather area, which is in yellow, which is basically all of Delaware and Jersey and 99% of Pennsylvania. So we do have some severe storms coming across. I'll show you that on what I would say is our simulated radar. These are your afternoon temperatures. This is around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Estimated, you can see 90s are quite prevalent in the I-95 corridor. Delaware, New Jersey, South Central PA also, and up towards here, towards Reading and Allentown's pretty hot too. As you can see, as you get up into the Poconos and out this way, temperatures are into the 70s and low 80s. But out by Pittsburgh, again, it reaches the mid to upper 80s during the day. But you can see, almost looking at this map, when the rain comes in, you can see these thunderstorms. You can see how it drops these temperatures really quick. So we move over to our simulated radar, and this takes you to around 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and you can see there's a little batch of storms here that are pushing out ahead of the front, and then you have all these storms here to the northwest in Pennsylvania. Then all this is going to come east, and again, for the most part, they stay together. Here's your bunch of storms coming through Lancaster and Reading up here towards Schuylkill County, up this way. And then you've got this front dropping down here that's affecting the Poconos, Williamsport, Towanda, out here towards State College, then down towards Pittsburgh. And then you can see that it kind of gets its act together. This is around 8 o'clock this evening, and you can see a direct line across the state. And then these storms that have come out ahead of it, down towards Philadelphia and Jersey at the time. North Jersey getting a few thunderstorms also. But there's your main line, and you can tell if you want to go back and have a little laugh at this. You can see exactly where the line is at here. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s out here in Jersey, and you can see where that front is right here, coming across, and how much rain. Now these storms could pack heavy rains. These storms can pack heavy, strong winds, hail. There's damp lightning and thunder, of course, with these storms, but they need to be watched because they can become severe. I don't think we have the right conditions for tornadoes, but I think wind damage is possible, so that would make power outages possible with these things if you get underneath one of these strong cells. So this is around 8 o'clock in the evening. You can see them come down, and this is around 10 o'clock. They kind of die out a little bit, but they stay strong in southern Pennsylvania. So this, again, this is around midnight, and then we move this out overnight. You can see the whole mess is beginning to move into Delaware and Jersey around 2 o'clock in the morning. And it's still some rain and some showers out here in eastern Pennsylvania. So it'll wet the grass a little bit, and as they move out. Again, thunderstorms are hit and miss where they go, but right now, estimations are, these are kind of the estimations. You can see everybody gets a fairly decent amount of rain. There's some areas that kind of will get gypped. And again, it all depends on how the storms form and where they go. Again, we're just simulating here, but you can see there's some areas that get some heavier storms to the north, and then again, there's heavier ones to the south that I was talking about, and then they kind of stream into New Jersey. So it's going to get some rain, hopefully enough to help our grass and flowers out there overnight. Our low temperatures tomorrow morning get down into the 60s for the most part because it's kind of doesn't get a chance to cool it enough. Philadelphia, South Jersey, and Delaware stay right around 70 degrees, but everybody else gets into the 60s. And as we go to the day on Thursday, you can see it starts to try to warm up again, but you don't see those 90s. Now we're into the upper 80s. And for the most part, the rest of Pennsylvania is quite comfortable temperatures, right around 70 degrees or so. So it's not a bad day for most areas. Again, Delaware, New Jersey, southeastern PA, your normal hot spots. And then as we go into the nighttime hours and we head towards morning hours on Friday, we definitely want to open the windows. 40s to the north. Here's 41. 42. So definitely chilly air again is filtered down from the north. Wouldn't doubt is up this way towards Cortland out this way if temperatures get down into the 39-degree range. But as elsewhere, it's basically 50s across all of Pennsylvania. And again, Jersey, Delaware, and southeastern, extreme southeastern PA, you're down in the low 60s. And still, that's kind of comfortable. And humidity will be gone too. So it'll be quite comfortable on Thursday night into Friday. And then as we get into Friday, you can see our heat has died down. It's cooled off mostly across the state. And we're talking about even Delaware, Jersey, and southeastern PA staying in the 70s for the most part. The only place that could get 80 might be the city of Philly and the city of Pittsburgh. So that's your forecast. That's your update. What's tomorrow? Thursday. I'll update this thing tomorrow. My work schedule, I got to think about it. I'm all over the place with it. I guess I'll do an update tomorrow around 7 o'clock in the evening, as of right now. All right, everybody take care. Be safe.